welcome to level 2 of the Arduino Introduction series. In this video, we will learn how to install Arduino IDE and run our first program, the Blink LED. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps, okay? Let's go! Before we start coding, we need to install the Arduino IDE. The first step is open the official Arduino website at arduino.cc. Select the menu Software and Download. Select the version according to your operating system, like Windows, Mac, or Linux. Here I use Windows OS, so I will download the Windows. After the download is complete, open the installation file and follow the instructions until it finishes. Once installed, open the Arduino IDE. Now let's take a look at the main interface of the Arduino IDE. Here is the code area where we write the program. And here is Upload and Verify button. This to check and upload the code to the board. And this one is board and port selections. Make sure to select the appropriate Arduino Uno and port. Now we try our first program, the Blink LED. First one is open the Arduino IDE. Move to the select files, Example, Basics, and Blink. This code is written for an Arduino and designed to control the built-in LED on the board. Let's break it down line by line. First one is the void setup. This function is called once when the program starts. It's where you set up the initial environment. In the void setup, we define the mode of the built-in LED pin. Pin mode is a function that configures and specifies pin to behave either as an input or an output. Here we set the built-in LED pin, usually pin 13 on many Arduino ports, to output, which means we are going to send signal out of this pin. After the setup function runs, the Arduino will enter the loop function, which runs continuously in a cycle. This is where the main logic of the program is executed. This line turns the LED on. Digital write is a function that sends a high or low signal to the specific pin. By sending a high signal to LED built-in, we activate the LED. This pauses the program for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. During this time, the LED will remain on. And here we turn the LED off by sending a low signal to the built-in LED pin. This again pauses the program for another 1 second while the LED is off. Make sure the port is set to Arduino Uno and select the appropriate ports. Click Upload and wait a few seconds. If it's successful, the LED on the board will blink every 1 second. The loop will run indefinitely, causing the LED to blink on for 1 second and then off for 1 second repeatedly. This simple program is a great way to get started with Arduino and understand how to control outputs. Here I use pin 13 as the built-in LED pin. In the next video, we will learn about using Arduino pin correctly. If that is your problem, first step is download and install the driver according to the chipboard. Because we use chipboard Arduino Uno, we will use CH340 or CH341. Download at this link below, install and then restart the computer. First, navigate to your downloads folder where your download file is located. When you find the file, go ahead and double-click it to open it. If prompt, Make sure to allow it to make changes to your device by clicking Yes on the User Account Control window. Now you will see an installation wizard pop up. Click the Install button and wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, it's a good idea to restart or shut down your computer to ensure that changes take effect. After your computer is back up, open your Device Manager. You can find this by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for your new device under the Port section. If everything went well, you should see the port name list here. If you don't see the port name, or if there's an exclamation mark next to it, that means the driver was installed correctly. Don't worry, just go back and repeat the installation steps. If you do see it listed without any issues, your driver is installed, and you are all set to go back into Arduino. After that, check back in Arduino IDE. After installation, try unplugging and plugging the Arduino back in. Open Arduino IDE, Tools, Ports, select the appropriate ports. If it appears, try uploading the blink code again. Okay? If you have any trouble, you can comment in the comment sections below. Well, that was how to install the Arduino IDE. Run our first program and troubleshoot if the port is not detected. In the next video, we will learn how to simulate Arduino using Tinkercad. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you have any questions, post them in the comment sections. See you in the next video. Bye bye.